In this video, we wanted to share with you how Google's AI bet is paying off, but at a cost. Alphabet just reported another quarter of double-digit growth, with Q2 revenue up 14% to 96.4 billion and net income up 19% to 28.2 billion. The drivers: a resurgence in search that is plus 12%, booming cloud revenues that is plus 32%, and early traction in AI-powered products like Gemini and AI Mode. But while the top line soars, the bottom line is under pressure from an aggressive ramp-up in capital spending. CapEx is now forecast at 85 billion for 2025, up nearly 33 billion from last year as Google races to build out infrastructure that is chips, servers, and data centers that are required to maintain leadership in the AI arms race. And AI is clearly pulling its weight. Features like AI Mode and AI Overviews have boosted search volumes by 10%. Drawn 100 million plus monthly active users in US as well as in India, shown monetization potential on par with the traditional search according to Google. Gemini, that is Google's AI platform, now has 450 million plus users, though still training ChatGPT's 600 million plus users. Yet investors do remain cautious. There are two key concerns. First and foremost, the sustainability of AI spending, and secondly, the regulatory headwinds. When we are talking about the sustainability of AI spending, despite enthusiasm, there is limited short-term payoff from the 85 billion in infrastructure investment. And when we are talking about the regulatory headwinds, Google is awaiting a pivotal antitrust ruling that would force structural changes, including the sale of its Chrome or restrictions on the search contracts with Apple. Still, as the first of the tech giants to report, Alphabet has set the tone. AI is no longer an R&D line item. It is central to revenue, product, and platform strategy. But with high stakes also comes high scrutiny from both investors and regulators.